Alright, we are live, I believe. Let's start part 10 and the last part of today. I don't think I'll work more because I'm going to hit the full time. And it really feels good when I do full time for the day. So now we fixed the height problem. Finally! Let's try to calculate the distances between empty letters manually, I'm afraid, and try to decrease it manually somehow. So as you can see, when we have a letter, we don't need this anymore. It's all part of the work, all part of the work. So you see, when we have a space after a letter, like this, or a space before the letter, or a space before and after the letter, we need to decrease it somehow. I'm afraid I might need to calculate it each, because you see this letter is bigger than this one, so either I make this one bigger, but if I make it bigger it won't look natural. Actually, I might decrease the sizes between these letters and decrease it as well, like take this one. Oh, I need to switch into English to make the shortcut work. Oh, freaking A. Like this, and calculate the distance, the extra distance back. I believe that will be much better for the look, because this is not natural. This is not natural. It shouldn't look like this. The font shouldn't look like this. If I take for example here, and I'm doing this for non-Arabic speakers. Where is the font size? You see, can I make Control Plus? Yeah, but it will be much better if I can change the format from here. I should open Microsoft. Anyway, the space is way between the two letters, way too far. It's look awful. And there's no easy way to fix that. There's no easy way to fix that, I'm afraid. But at least I can try to fix the distances between the other letters. So let's try to, try to do that. Come on, it should. Usually when I close the game, this won't get up back, but it didn't. So I'm afraid we are going to make an array, maybe double array. First of all, let's go to the menu component. I might make a fixed status array. Yeah, there are a few issues in here. I'm going to resize this font later on. So we need to take the distance by percentage. Step by step, step by step, step by step, step by step. So it's almost third for step by step. Okay. So let's make a static read only. Actually, it can be, well, yeah, list. I believe I can only decrease the distance from before or after, which is, yeah, let's make two arrays. Before distance remove Yeah, I'm not sure about the syntax, so give me a second. After all these years, I'm not sure about the syntax. And I kinda hate it when this is happening. There must be a way. There must be a way. Here, int capacity. Yeah, new int. Why it didn't accept that at first? No idea. So before and after. And now let's make a list. First of all, in this letter, what's the value of it? How did I? Oh, yeah. Oh, it starts from 0. Thanks God. Okay. Let's open another file. Before, and let's zoom out, and after. So before and after 0. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, half and half. Yeah, I'm thinking I might save a tuple of decreasing the distance and the percentage of decreasement, because this one seems it need decreasement but not as much as this one, but we will see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jesus Christ. Actually, no, okay. We start to confuse ourselves, don't we? 10, 11, 12. Uh-oh. This one is missing some space. What the hell? Oh my god, I cannot focus for a few seconds, can I? 13. I'm sorry. Totally fucked up. Alright. There's an easier way. There's an easier way. First of all, let me fix this one. Wait a second. Are you sure this is the font? Something is so wrong that I cannot put my finger on it. Alright. Let's add a new layer. And add the text, color red. 0, 0. Be patient. Yeah, this is not working, is it? Well, later I will. This should be 20. Alright. 0 a before and after. Before BA. 1 after. Two, 3, 4. 4 BA. 5 A. 6, 7, 8 BA. But it seems before is alright. Let's decrease and then we will see. But 20%, yeah. 8 after. Or maybe I should move the letter a little bit. Yeah, maybe I should move the letter after. 9 after. 10, 11, 12. PA. 13 after. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 90. Maybe here. 18 before. It's funny, some of them. As I said, I might play with this a little bit and move some of them. Actually, let's do that now. Okay. BA. I need to make the font smaller. 21 after. And this one, I don't know, half and half, as I said. Alright. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Before. And let's show the lines. Yeah. I need to work 12 hours today to fix all of this. Oh well, too late. Oh, I forgot. Oh, come on, don't do that. 23. 24 before. 28 before. See, this one doesn't need. This one need. Um, 34, 33, 32, 32, 33, 36, 37, yeah, some of them before, some of them after, something both. Okay, okay. This one is 46, 45 after, 44 both. 31, 41 after, and 40 both. Let's finish this line first. Oh, this one is weird. 54 only after. Weird. Seems this one is after too. $59. I'm doing this in a very casual way. I'm going to pay for that. This one seems it needs decreasement, but not by a lot. How did I? Oh, I should increase by 20, not by 10. I just need to remember this info. No. 53 after so 60 80. Oh great, great. Fucking great. Yeah, I screwed myself again. Yeah, let's fix that before I lose my mind. So this is 34. Okay. I know how to fix it. Give me a second. I know how to fix it. It's silly, but I'm going to remove that layer completely. Yeah, when you do a big taboo, big mistake like this, try not to waste your time blaming and complaining and feeling sorry on the skimmed milk. Try to find an easy way to fix it and go with it. That will save a lot of time in the future. I usually make that mistake that I feel sorry that I waste a lot of time, and it will take more time to fix the problem, but I'm trying to learn not to do that. Trying to apply some kind of methods to instead complaining too much. So this one should be 50. Are you sure? Because this one is 59. 876 5432. Because each row has 20. So if this is 20, this is 40, this is 60. And because this is 60, this is 80. See? 94, 5, 6. Let's make this one BA, even though I feel it won't work, but let's add BA. 97, A. So this is 80, this is 100. So 102 before. 100. 3, 4, 5, 6. Before. Are you sure 6? Yeah, this is 5. This one seems okay. 114 before, 116 both. So this layer can go to hell. Oh. $117 after. This one seems fine. Let's go to the beginning. 100, 120. 121 after. 122 before. 124 both. 128 both, and 129 after. Definitely it will be better if I have both different sizes, but whatever. 134 before. 136 both. 137, 8, 138 before. Alright, now we need to copy these numbers. Wait a hell second. I believe this layer is extra. Oh. Oh man. I have these numbers on 2 layers now. It doesn't matter because both of them will go to hell after all of this is done. Alright. So let's have before first. So 0, 1, 4, 5, 8, 9, 12, 13, 18, 20, 21, 26, 34, 38, 52, 53, 56, 57, 60, 61, 64, 64, 65, no, this is the A. 84, 85, no, this is A2, what's wrong with you? 89, 93, 96 both, 97 only the A, 102, only the V4. 106, 114, 116, 117, 121, 122, 124, 128, 129, 134, 136, 138. Okay, before deleting them, let's test the result first. So now, when we print the letters, here we decrease the space based on the letter, and this is adding a space. Is this a space or an enter? No, this is an enter. So here we are going to decrease the decrement of the space. Is it raining? It's raining outside. Weird. So let's decrease it by 15. If the alpha after if it contains 15, if not 0. But how to do the before? The before should be decreased in where we're printing it. So here pray. What have we done? We screwed up. Give me a second. Let's make this one useful. See, the space between it, between this and this became much better, but this one I don't see the difference. Wait. I see. Yeah, this is start to become a little bit confusing. When I try to print this letter, right now, should I increase the X or decrease the X? It seems I need to increase the X. No? Why do I think like that? Because I'm an idiot. Let's increase it by 10. Actually, we're right. Then why did I decrease it in... we start to screw up some stuff. Oh yeah, because you drag it back, you idiot. But we are dragging... Oh, we drag it back without changing the X in this situation. You see, here we increase it without... Okay. What the fuck? Okay, I need to calm down. Did I copy the whole thing? Control. Here. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. We almost fixed a huge problem, actually. If we... wow, how many pages do I have in here? Oh, I didn't save the screen thing. Oh, I closed it without saving. But the old one, you'll see there's a huge gap between this letter, Aleph, with a Waw and Sod. But what the heck is going on here? The space. What was the space again? I believe 182 or something. Where is the increment? Is it in the dialog class? I believe it's in the dialog class. The encryption, I mean. Yeah, 186 is an enter. These are 2 letters, but they take 1 letter space. But why am I appending Arabic letters? What the fuck is going on here? It shouldn't be Arabic letters. It should be numbers. So space is 11. So a space, let's make it into 10. Of course, these calculations now need to be different. No, it's plus, not minus. Because we are actually shifting the letters to the right. Even though we are decreasing the distances, it's shifting to the right. So you see the distances between the letters now is way much smaller. But what bothers me is, shouldn't this one increase it by 10 as well? Wait, are you telling me this one is an increment too? No, when I increase it, yeah, it is a decrement. Because this means 40 minus 50, which is 35. So I incremented by 15. So it was correct, it was correct. Much better. The only problem is the bottom. The bottom doesn't start the Arabic text in the correct position. It's a little bit tricky because it's reverse. It's reverse, and that's why. Yeah, the font look much better, but still I don't like it. The distances between these letters is way too huge. And it's kind of hard to do it with a fixed size chart. If I want to make this font look much better, I need to make the distances or the chart size different for each letter. And then I won't need to calculate the distance that I need to remove from right and left. Besides, I need to test all of the letters if I want to see if the result's correct or not. And I'm not in the mood to do that. But I'm afraid I need to. There are two ways. And the first way is to select this one, go to here. It's saved. Why did it's automatically save, you idiot, every time I change the stuff. Yeah, this thing automatically saved when you leave the box. I don't like this, so I don't need to hit save every time, and now I lost that chat, but doesn't matter. When I do refilling with this, I should put it in Excel. I'm going to modify the file manually, the dialog, and I'm going to change it. That's why we are going to make the screen black. And where is the test game folder? Let's open a new folder. Oh, yeah, found it. Oh wait, I need to replace it first with the one from the map simulator. Now we need to change it. I love you very much. Alright. I couldn't search. Wait, it didn't save because and I was saying save and plus and yeah, okay. Yeah, apparently it doesn't save. My mistake. It doesn't save in a file. Alright, found it. And now we will do the most boring thing in the world. We're going to write the whole alphabet in here, which is one. I'm going to type from 0. I'm going to type the whole alphabetic. How many letters again, damn it? 139. 139. From 0 to 139. This will take at least 3 minutes. So expect. Actually, yeah, I can do this. Make a new file. Return the screen. And type them here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Even though this is invalid result of the alphabetic, because I'm going to print each one of them. I could copy. Actually, I could put them in Excel and make auto finish. I'll make a program, a small program that output all of them. That will be faster. Till I start making bugs in that code, and I need to debug it, and then screw it. Screw it. What's wrong with me? I keep forgetting how many letters I need to do. I believe 140, 139, one something. So how are you today? We're done. Black screen. Go to the file. Make Control Z. Paste the numbers. Make sure I didn't screw up big time. Save, close, lower screen, black screen, and let's go back and run. So here we printed all the letters. Yeah, I was afraid some of them will look a little bit off. I need to fix the angle if I want to make it obvious where the hell are, because the angle is based on the panel, the 2D panel on the background, not based on the screen. Congratulations. Let's make this one 0. This one 0. Yeah, completely fucked up. This is 0? No, this is not 0. This is 90. What the hell is going on? I'm sorry. We are going to stay here for a while. The angle function is totally fucked up. Congratulations. I don't know what I did, but it's totally fucked up. And because there's no interest in between, I cannot take a look on all of them. And I start to get tired. Dang it. Excuse me. If this font doesn't look okay, I shouldn't resize it and save it as different sizes. I must perfect this one so the other fonts doesn't look ugly. And I forgot some of the letters doesn't exist, so I shouldn't print them in the first place. But I did print them. Oh well. I don't wanna screw up the. Actually, let's screw up these guys. And here. We need the screen width. How can we get the screen width? I believe it's in a game file. I'm freaking tired. Where is the screen? It was in the map, but I believe I moved it to the game core file. I don't have a screen class, so this variable is somewhere. Oh yeah, it is. It's still in the class and it's called camera, but it means the screen width, which is totally fucked up. Totally fucked up. I just want to see the font, damn it. I'll fix the angle later on. Wait a minute. Why are there outside of the screen? So we have a problem with the screen calculation too. Yep, screen calculation is totally fucked up. Because this thing should be here. Man. Yeah, after this there's a space letter, and that's why it's look, there's a huge space. But why didn't I detect this one? Why the space decrement wasn't calculated with Tam Arbota? Because I didn't add it. So 28, let's add 28 for both of them. There is a solution. What's the dialogue of which one? Let me print it on the screen as a dialogue. So the angle calculation is not incorrect, because he believed this is the rightmost of the screen for some reason. So this is angle 90 is not incorrect, and this is the angle where it's the middle of this menu and the middle of the screen. If this is the rightmost, then almost this is the leftmost. So when I made this 2D panel, I screwed up big time, I guess. I screwed up. See the space, the 10 from the left is way too much for this case. Don't you feel that's going to be a little bit painful? Yeah, it is a little bit too painful. So, but anyway, actually this letter shouldn't exist in the font, but I should calculate it in the correct way. You see this letter is not added as well. I need to do two solutions. Either to place enters in between or fix the angle. And I know you guys have a lot of fun watching me, so let's add enters between them. So the enters is 186. So let's add an enter after every 21. After every 20 I meant. And goodbye. Careful, don't delete or replace the wrong thing. Da! Like talking to kids or something. Making noises. God. Beautiful. Let's remove the last button from the main menu temporarily. Actually, let's remove it from the queue. This is starting to become a little bit annoying. For some reason, when I removed the 6th one, the calculation became different. What the hell? Why? The calculation differed when I removed the 6th button. Now that shouldn't affect. I hate this crap. And look at that, we even though it didn't show the whole thing, we found some spaces. Give me a second. This is starting to become painful in many ways. But let's just add one button. And this one we want to show number 5. Oh, I need to add the distance to the top too, to the angle, don't I? Okay. Now I want the sucker to be at angle 45. It is already 45, let's make it 0. Yeah, something's fucked up with the angle. Do you know what? I'm too tired. Let's try to guess the size. It's almost like 900. I know I need to fix these issues with the calculations, but this is not the focus now. I just want to look at the letters like that. Thank you. So this one could use some cut of the spaces. As I said, the letters standalone shouldn't exist with the words, so it's alright. Yeah, this one is bugging me like hell, but again, shouldn't exist between the words. And we have spaces. Spaces start to appear. Actually, no, these spaces meant to be, no, this one is not meant to be. This one is similar to this one in this case. And is it me? Is that the dust on the screen, or is that a black line in the middle of nowhere? Because this is the standalone letter, so the space is meant to be, because this is the connected one, but not in this case. Why is there a space between after and before this letter? It's before the lamb alone, before, and after the lamb. This one I should add after 113. So 113 after. Before I add it, let's check the rest. 113 after. Why this letter was not printed? Between, did I messed up between the numbers. No, there's an empty letter. What? Oh crap. I'm missing a letter in here. Okay. I'm missing a letter in here. How did that happen? Wow, this one is way too close. But there is no way to write like this without a space between them, a full space. So hopefully it won't look that weird. Alright. So we need to add a space after the lamb 113. Let's do that and test it. Actually, decreasing the space dynamically or making two arrays so wasn't a very bad idea. I thought it will be a huge disaster. So here, the space has been fixed. I could solve this one, but it doesn't matter that much because this is a standalone letter. Something is funny going on. Oh, okay. Alright. You see, before I made the decrement by the array, these empty letters taking a huge space. So there is some black line in here after harf al-dal. So let's fix some of the issues. First of all, we don't need these layers, 5 and 6. Alright. Second of all, between dal and dal, there is some blackness. I don't see it. Huh. Huh. I don't see it. Oh, my eyes start to hurt. Don't tell me it's mathematical calculation problem. I'll be really upset if that's the case. The second issue, we have a letter that's completely missing here. Actually, it's better if I copy it from here, or maybe not. Maybe not, because this one is, oh, it is the same size. Okay. So let's save this one as a BDN. And then save it as a PNG. And then test it for the last time. And then try to resize it. Or maybe call it a day, because I'm starting to getting I'm starting to get enough of this. Oh, I'm getting enough of this. Or I can describe it many ways. But hey, in general, I should feel really happy because this is a huge progress. For me at least. Oh, I hate this one at heaven. Yeah, there is a black line for some freaking reason. Before حرف الراء and after حرف الخاء. So after this and before this, there's a space in here. But I don't freaking see it. Below حرف التاء. So it is somewhere in here. But I don't see it at all. It's actually a little bit lower. Maybe I should delete, but I don't know. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Anyway, the spaces seem fine. I believe I can resize this font. I believe it's ready for that. The spaces is more than fine. I love them. I really do. Oh wait, I didn't fix this problem, did I? Go back to the flattened state. Go to حرف الباء. Return the chart. Hello. Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see? Yeah. Calm down. Not you, the guy. Did I close the game? Not the chart, you freaking. Yeah, this one's black, okay. So let's save the BNG. I mean the BDN and the BDN. Yes. Then save it as a PNG. Then replace it for the billionth of times. Wish if there is a smoother way to deal with it. Build, run. Yeah, no space anymore. And let's make the last test. And let's take some random text from the internet. I shouldn't test these first, or yet, I mean. But I want to see the result. You're making full test, right? Right. Then do a full test, mother. Okay, calm down. Because only the Arabic symbol should be encrypted. But let's test the encryption here. And you see, there are numbers. So hopefully they got save. Go to the game file in the map simulator and replace the one in here. And I believe it's the same test that I should, the same dialogue that I'm testing. Oh, the English. Okay. Oh, yeah. Well, it seems it seems good. It's good. But this letter is incorrect. What the hell? Yeah, this. Oh crap! It considered the symbol as connected before. What the hell? Yeah, I didn't test the symbols yet. Let's see if there's a way to make text wrap. I have a text wrap function, but I'm not sure how swift and good will it be. Focus for a second. All right. Pray. This will be ugly. Nope. Did it work? Many component. I'm getting a little bit too tired, but I need to keep testing and I need to fix the issues. Docking, text wrap. Wow! Oh, this is the override one. Let's try to. What? Oh man, what? Oh yeah, because each text wrapper should have its own way to. Okay. Man, this is give me a second. If the me, yeah, it deals with Arabic. Beautiful. So let's go to the bottom. Give me a second. Can I do menu component default this? Oh, come on. Didn't I call it in here? Oh, then why? Why? Wait, dockable update is not called? Then what I was doing in here? Now my head hurts. Now my head hurts. No, I'm not going to put it in here. That will kill everything. Let's try to call it manually. I know. If I call it in here, it will work only for the English version, no? Alright. Menu component, find mmb1 text fucking A value or up. Calm down. Calm down. That was the dialog name, not the button name. The button name is main menu complete. Alcoholic page. Oh, input was not in the correct format. What? It didn't update. Focus. Data focus. Data focus. Because I didn't change the caption to Arabic. I changed the language, but I didn't change the caption because yeah, the system was designed before dialogue base and it shouldn't be used like this. I knew it from the first second when I tried to make a button here and didn't know what to put in the constructor in here. So in the constructor I just put it like send it number 0, and this is the problem. The thing is, I don't want the draw function search the language. I wanted to save the language into the caption and it taken directly to decrease the amount whenever it draw a lot of text on the screen. It doesn't need to access the array. It exists already in the memory. It see it. That's why I did it in that way. So here I could do something to go around this. Another sheep trick. And here jcaption is equal to dialogues underscore selected language. Why this thing is called? Oh, great. Oh, great. Oh, great. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You wanna kill me or something? Oh, the constructor of the superclass worked before the subclass. Frick me. Frick me. Frick me. And it didn't add enters. All of the work. So, I need to fix that, but you know what, I had enough of for today. Let's just register that as the problem in here. And today I done a full-time work. I should be proud. I still didn't finish the main video, but what to do? Make a new font 40 by 40. Fix spaces and height issues. Actually, I should make the height issue as a second one because the discovery was so great. Decrease the space after some letters and before some letters to make the font look natural. Make text wrap for buttons. Make few different sizes for Arabic fonts. English already have a list of different sizes, and support colors for Arabic fonts. So we done all of these. Oh, wrong color. Thank you for watching, and see you in part something.